Hi friends, we all are about to witness one of the world's largest dental implant event on this November 26, 27 and 28th from Kochi, Kerala, India. The organizers, they have chosen the most popular figures of dental implantology from all around the world. And the uniqueness of this program is they are showcasing the difficult cases, the failures they have managed in their practice. Definitely there will be a lot to learn. Failures are stepping stones to the success, but you don't have to pay the price because we have done it enough times. That is the message of all these 40 plus speakers gathering from all around the world in Kochi World Implant Expo 2023. I myself is Dr. Shoukath. I am practicing as a dental implantologist in Dubai, and the topic I will be covering is soft tissue complications prevention and management. I am inviting all of you to this big event and we will be sharing our knowledge. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.